If you're wanting to scale your business to $100,000 months, Pinterest is the biggest piece of your marketing puzzle that you are missing, and it is the one thing that can actually give you the extra views and traffic that you need to your website to make those extra sales. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kenda, the founder and CEO of Lainey Media. I am a $1 million visibility coach and I have a pretty big following on social media. So basically, I work with clients to help them scale their social media organically and to essentially scale their income. So if you've watched any of my content before, you know that I'm a big supporter of Pinterest and Pinterest marketing. Pinterest is the number one thing that's propelled our business forward as fast as it has. In the last 12 months, we've worked with thousands of business owners and gotten millions and millions of views across all of our platforms. And the driving force behind all of that has been Pinterest. So I've had a lot of clients come to me that were struggling with their marketing or wanting to move away from doing paid ads. And with getting them on Pinterest, we were able to, one, create a revenue increase for them, and two, obviously move them away from doing paid ads and get their marketing to be completely organic. So let's talk about why Pinterest is so powerful first, so you can understand why you would want to do that before you get into the how-to. So Pinterest is a search engine, not a social media platform. So rather than putting content out and having it delivered to people based off of watch time or popularity or views or shares or whatever, your content is going to be placed directly in front of the people that are actively searching for it. So it's a much different dynamic. The people that are on Pinterest are already in a shopping mindset. They're there searching, looking, they're Googling how to do this, looking for recipes for whatever it is they're looking for. They are in a searching mindset, and the people that use Pinterest understand that it is for searchability. They're searching for specific topics and for specific solutions to their problems. The other great thing about Pinterest is that Pinterest helps you rank on Google. If you have pins, videos, blog posts, whatever it is that are ranking on Pinterest, those start to rank on Google very quickly and much faster than you would be able to get them to rank through your website or anything like that. So let's talk about some basic Pinterest how-tos. First and foremost, you need to have a business account. If you don't have a business account, you're not going to be able to see your analytics or optimize your pins and your account as much as you otherwise would. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that once you have a business account set up, you're going to do Pinterest keyword research. I don't recommend going to any other platform or software to do that keyword research. I would just do it on the Pinterest platform, and I have tons of screen recordings and tutorials for how to do that inside the Social Media Millionaire membership. So what I would focus on is doing really good keyword research, optimizing your profile so that way you have a good bio that's keyword rich, you have boards and board descriptions that are keyword rich, and then you have really good searchable keywords that are on each of your pins, each of your posts, and each of your idea pins. So on the topic of idea pins are a relatively new feature on Pinterest, and the main way that myself and my clients use them is actually to repurpose our content over from TikTok. So I use a platform called SnapTik on my desktop. It doesn't work super well on your phone, but I use it on desktop to download my TikToks without the watermark. Or if you use Focus Live, then it's already on your phone without the watermark. So then you can just upload that content over to Pinterest. So it's a really great way to repurpose the content that you already have and get a lot more mileage out of it. So on posting idea pins, one of the main questions I get asked is, are you still able to link back to different types of content, or how do I do that? So you're not going to want to link back to content from idea pins, you're not able to, but it's going to be treated similar to your viewer as how TikTok works, right? So if people see your video, they'll go over to your account and click the link in your bio. So just make sure that the link in your bio is still to one of your sales pages, to your website, to something important for you to drive traffic to. Generally with my idea pins, I get between 2,000 to 10,000 views just on average. I've had quite a few of them go viral, and generally I have pins over there that do a lot better than they even did on TikTok. So idea pins, if you're looking for a really fast way to drive traffic to your business within days, completely organically, I would definitely start just reposting your content over there to idea pins. So when talking about monthly views or the amount of views that you can get on your idea pins or even your standard pins, it's important to understand that views on Pinterest mean a lot more than they do on other platforms, right? It's really easy to get a ton of views on TikTok because it's really easy to go viral, but those people aren't necessarily aligned with you. They're not necessarily people that would buy from you, and they're not necessarily ideal audience or clients. So what you need to keep in mind about Pinterest is that even if you're getting less views, which usually you're getting more than you are on other platforms, but those views are weighted a lot more heavily because they are people that are actively searching for you. They're people that have happened onto your content, not just because it was randomly served to them, but because it's the type of content that they've searched for in the past or the type of content that they're actively searching for. So when someone happens onto a post that you created about a course that you have or templates that you're selling or about a program that you run, that is going to be worth a lot more than some random person seeing a TikTok about it, because those are people that are actively searching for that type of content and you have had your content served to them as an answer to their problem. So one last thing that's really important to note when you're trying to scale to those $100,000 months using Pinterest is that when you are crafting your keywords, posting your pins, you need to keep in mind what people are actually searching for and what they're actually typing in. So think about if I was going to make a post about passive income. If I make a post just titling it passive income, only using keywords related to that, then someone that's looking for ways to create extra income or side hustles or how to make money from home, they're not even going to happen onto that content, because you need to not just categorize what your content is, but also what people might be searching for. So if people don't know that they need passive income, they're not going to be searching for passive income. So then your content isn't going to get seen. So it's really, really important as you're doing this research and as you're planning out your content that you think about all the symptoms that people might be experiencing, all of the problems that they're having, and how they would be searching for solutions to that problem without necessarily knowing what your content is. Because what you're going to do is take the content that you're already creating and make it fit into those search categories, right? So if someone's searching, like I said, how to work from home, how can I work from home? Then if you're posting stuff about passive income, you're only titling it passive income. They don't know that they need passive income. So be thinking about that as you're thinking about what your content is that you're posting, and fit it into those keywords, fit it into those searches as the solution to the problem that people are searching for and putting out there on Pinterest. So Pinterest, like I said, has been instrumental with a lot of my clients. There's one in particular that was spending over $500,000 per month on ads across Facebook and Instagram. So with moving her over to Pinterest and having her cut out the ad spend from Facebook and Instagram, she was able to see a 14% revenue increase in her business within 3 months and was able to cut out the ad spend completely. So Pinterest is incredibly powerful, especially for newer, younger business owners that are trying to scale to those first $100,000 months and break past the 5-figure months and move into the 6-figure months. It's going to be very, very instrumental for you in your business, because it's one of the few things that you can actually schedule, automate, and have working for you organically and evergreen without needing to be spending all of your time working on it, unlike a lot of the other social media platforms. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you want any more information about Pinterest, I have a few other videos about the topic. I'm kind of known for talking about it. You can also follow me on Instagram or TikTok. It's just everything is under my name, or go check out my Pinterest to kind of see what I'm doing over there. And of course, I have the Social Media Millionaire membership and my Traffic to Income programs, which teach business owners exactly how to do all of this. It's a step-by-step process, very laid out for you in screen recordings, tutorials, everything that you could possibly need to know to make this happen for your business. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next video.